Okay, we're looking at testing two battery booster packs, portable jump starters. They're all electrical. We'll have a look at those in a minute. The test unit will be this Suzuki Bandit. I've drained the battery off. It's a 9 amp battery. So I had a 12 volt 50 watt bulb, which going off is about 4 amps. So that drained this battery off in about 2 hours, which it did do. So we'll just check, it should be quite low this now, so let's check this. It might have recovered a little bit. So if I just bear with me, just get the leads on the battery. I'm having to hold my phone and my phone because I don't have any sophisticated camera equipment. So let's have a look at that. So it's showing 11 volts. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll see if this will crank over. It shouldn't do, but we'll see. Okay, because I've only got one pair of hands, I've just cable tied the clutch lever up. So let's go for a power test. Let's see if we can turn it on. Headlamp looks really low. Let's try it. Yep, nothing. It's trying to, won't crank at all. Just make sure nothing's nothing's happening. I don't know if it's not in gear. So there you are. Go and try it. You can hear the starter relay. So the battery's too flat to crank over. So let's just turn everything off. Get rid of the meter. And we'll have a look at these jump packs. We'll look at, they've got two to look at. Right, the first one is this Jaeger jump starter kit model YR200. This was about, I think this was about £25 or something on eBay. So we'll have a quick look. So in it is a manual, the pack kit itself, and the jump lead units. Now these all have been charged up fully, so we know they're all fully charged. Just made some notes on the actual manual itself. It boasts a 2.5 amp unit at 12,000 milliamps for carb boosting the battery. Couldn't find any information what that says it could actually go up to, but it seems okay. So let's try this one. It's quite a simple device. You can read the manual and everything, it tells you how to do everything, but if you press this button here, you see the LEDs all 4 lit up, so that means it's fully charged. There is a little light on it. When you look at it, these are the plug connectors for the booster, the jumper. Then it's got a standard USB port and USB-C port, I think it is. So what goes in there is this unit here, which plugs in. You can't get it wrong, the way this connects up. So what we'll do is we'll take this over. Now, according to the manual, is that when you connect this up, you don't need to press any boost batteries or anything like boosters or anything like that. So let's just bear me while I just connect this up to the unit. I'll have to use 2 hands. So we're going to connect this in. Okay, so now I've connected it to the booster. This is flashing. According to the manual, if it stays green, then you can actually try and jump start the bike. So it's a bit fiddly because I'm using one hand. So let's put this on here. So red on the positive, black on the negative. I can hear a bit of clicking going on. Let's just try it. Well, that battery was flat, would not crank the engine over. That's just boosted the fucking, sorry for my swearing, but that's just boosted the bike up. Well, that was and this is a smaller pack. So what we'll do is we'll make sure the bike won't crank again. And we'll have a look at the other jump pack. Say this was that's what it's boasting on there. So to start my 650 motorcycle, that fired up without any hesitation whatsoever. Okay, next video.